Hi, I'm Kari, the franchise owner of 2 Men and a Truck, Oshawa, Toronto East.
One of the advantages that our customers see in the local marketplace is they like dealing with the owner directly, and that we're able to make any decisions that need to be done right away. One of the biggest benefits we see is our ongoing training program that we provide for our movers and drivers that makes the move experience as stress-free as possible for our customers.
We're in the customer service business. We just happen to be movers. Our goal is to exceed our customers' expectations, and that is exactly why we enjoy 96% customer referral rate.